Video today I'm going to demonstrate an advanced features of OpenBOM revision management, change request, and change approvals. Those features are available only in a company subscription of OpenBOM, and they are impacting the mechanism of revision. So in a standard revision mechanism, you can create revision. In advanced revision mechanism, you can create change request. So the settings for change request are in the company settings, and I will go there later. Now, if I made the changes in my design, let's say I adjusted some counts of the number of components or made some other changes. So now I can create a change request that will be approved by designated people in the company. So if I create change request, I can say the quantity changed for this part number, and I create change request. So what is different is that in this case, comparing to the simple revision mechanism, revision is not created by the change request is created. Now, the change request is visible to everyone who has access to the bill of materials. And if you have rights to approve it, then you can first review the change. It shows you what was actually changed between this previous revision and the current revision. And that was the change in the quantity that I made. So if I go back, I can now approve the change or I can reject the change. So if I'm approving the change, so you can see that in the panel, I can approve or reject. I can approve the change, and now change is approved. And if I will go and I will see what I have in the change revision, the revisions, I will see this change. So as usual in OpenBOM revision mechanism, I can go and I can navigate and see what was the revision before and what was the bill of materials in every single revision. So how you can manage who can make approval and how this mechanism works is something that you can do in administration. Now, if you are a company administrator, you can navigate to the company mechanism settings, and if this enable change management switch is on, it means change request, change approval mechanism will be enabled in OpenBOM. Otherwise, you are getting just simple save revision mechanism, and then you can choose approvals. So that was all with the explanations about advanced change request and change approval mechanism in OpenBOM, and I will see you in the next video.